I'm making you a really quick video showing my whole screen just so that you are able to easily find what you need for this assignment. So this is week one of Photoshop, and I'm asking you to go into the getting to know the work area tutorial module within Photoshop. So just in case you forget what that is from class, launch Photoshop. This is the first window you should see. If you immediately wind up like within Photoshop in the top left, you're going to see a little house. So you want to click on that house. That's your home, and that's going to bring you back here. So over here to the right, you see these quick skill guides. And if you don't see the must know right away, click view all skills. And then must know is going to pop up at the top. So this is the other window. I was saying if you open up here, go up to the top left and click back on the home button, it'll bring you here. View all skills. I want you to go into the must know, and then it says find your way around, make your way around Photoshop workspace, turn the workspace map on, and all these pretty little bars are going to pop up. And I want you to watch each little video. So this is just going to be a lot of repetitive information, things I've said in class, but that's what I want you to do once you've got Photoshop installed. That's a part of your homework for this week. So I actually don't know how to get out of this. Like, I tried hitting escape. It didn't work. I tried, let me just quit, see if it'll let me quit Photoshop. Oh, okay. So that time it worked. Last time it didn't work. Anyways, so I want you to review to getting to know the work area. And next week I'm gonna show you around the work area a lot more, but I want you to be somewhat oriented before then. All right, bye-bye.